What's that?
We're in business.
Oh, I'm so stoked. This is Nick Dean from Gastown Supply Co. Remember the guy that invented Velcro? Yeah, fuck that guy. That was your idea, wasn't it? Just like this, a shield saver for your visor. That's an idea where you sat on your couch and said, fuck, I should come up with that idea. But too late, Gastown Supply Co. already did it, so you fucking lose. Anyways, so simple. Pull it off, because you guys fucking constantly complain that your shields are scratching and then you need something. This looks a little odd like this, doesn't it? We all know what we're thinking. You're a fucking pervert. Anyways, throw it on there. When you have a spare shield that you just want to protect, boom, just like that. She's good to go. What this will do is, if you want to put it in your backpack, it doesn't scratch the iridium. If you have the fancy guy gold, fancy guy old slick, fancy guy blue one, whichever. It's that simple. Have all those razor colors. Black, Mexican blanket, namaste, serene forest. I don't know. And camo. Where'd your shield go, bro? Where'd your shield go? Anyways, like and subscribe to this video. Don't forget to buy merch from our site. This is the new hoodie drop. Here we go. Feeling good times, guys. Feeling good times. Woo!